It's kind of like a treasure hunt. You never know what you're going to find. Sometimes the most exciting bit is when you're rooting around and you see something that perhaps has been hidden down there for a really long time, and no one's seen the light of day for a couple of years. Every item has its own story. Rarely do you know where something came from or who had it before or the life that it lived. And then that thought of it becoming, or you becoming part of that object's story and where it goes next, I think that's a really lovely thought. Every mark, every dent which you see in an object, it's part of its character, it's part of its story. Is it years and years worth of wear and tear where someone's been walking across it? Did someone walk into it one day? Did they drop something on it? When you buy something off the shelf, it's brand new, it's often perfect, but there's nothing romantic about that. There are so many places where you can source second-hand items from, things which are a little bit more beaten down and worse for wear, but offers a really good opportunity for restoring and upcycling something. If you can buy a chest of drawers, for example, that's already there, it's already waiting for you to find it. Why would you buy a new piece when you can buy something that not only is going to reduce your environmental impact on this planet, but you're also buying something with history, with character and with story. You can see here this beautiful dovetail joinery. It shows that it's been well made, it's not been put together with screws, it's all in the woodwork. When you are looking at old pieces of furniture, you might see some really beautiful handles, but some of them might be broken. You might have one missing, and it would be nigh on impossible to find an exact match. So changing up the hardware is quite an easy thing that you can do. Continuing that journey of giving something a new lease of life over and over again, and I think that's such a lovely thought in today's world when we're so used to buying things and discarding things. We're not so used to repairing them and restoring them and keeping them alive. So I think that's something to really consider if you are looking for a new piece of furniture. The thing that excites me most about coming to places like this, reclamation yards, antique fairs, it's not knowing what you're going to find. Every object, every piece of furniture, it has its own story to tell. You're continuing that journey of giving something a new lease of life over and over again, and I think that's such a lovely thought in today's world.